Hello, welcome to PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your babies as well. Today we are going to be making some apple hair mask. So I made banana hair mask last week and I really love it, so I wanted to kind of try different fruits in the next few weeks. So I look forward to seeing you in the video. So the ingredients you're going to be needing today for the mask is apple, fenugreek powder, and coconut milk. But you can feel free to switch up the ingredients. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder to a bowl. I chose fenugreek powder because it's really good in terms of protein. So it adds nourishment to your hair follicles. It also helps you fight against hair fall, hair thinning, hair baldness, hair dryness, and just overall nourishes your scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. So fenugreek is a really good ingredient to have in your hair mixture. And then next we're going to be adding some coconut milk. Coconut milk is really packed with saturated fatty acid as well as vitamins such as vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. It also has some iron in it, as well as calcium and sodium and magnesium, and so many more different kinds of acid. This really aids in hair growth promotion as well as hair restoration process. So definitely add some coconut milk. I'm just making a piece of that, and I'm going to then move on to getting my apples cut out and ready for blending. So after blending the apples, I'm going to go ahead and screen them and then get them ready for adding my other mixture. So apples are really good in terms of promoting hair growth. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C, and it also just aids in keeping your scalp very healthy and overall just keeping your hair healthy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and strain the fenugreek powder mix into my apple juice. So usually I'll go ahead and just make my oils for the week, but this time I did not do that. So I'm going to be adding some individual oils into my mixture. So I'm looking for a lot of nourishing and just overall softness and moisture. So I'm adding some pomegranate oil to that and then some glycerin as well. And then I'm going to add some other oils such as my avocado oil, and then I'm going to put some sunflower seed oil and then do a few drops of my essential oils. If you guys want to see what I use in terms of ingredients, I will leave that below for the oils only that I use in here, but you can feel free to change up or switch up the recipe as needed. So now that I've added everything, I'm just going to blend that out until it thickens. If you guys don't already know, I like to add xanthan gum into my mixture. I'm just so much in love with it. I know people use other types of thickeners, but I just unfortunately am in love with it. So I already went ahead and washed my hair. I shampooed it already, but one thing I did not do this time was detangle before, just because I wanted to show you guys how well this mask works. So I didn't detangle my hair at all. As you can see, I just took the hair out and then shampooed my hair. So I'm going to apply some of it and then show you guys how much this just works as a detangler. It works as a conditioner. It works as a max treatment. So feel free to just play around with it. So unfortunately, I did not wash my hair right away. I waited 4 hours because I was busy, but it turned out that my hair dried out a little bit with the product in it, and there's a lot of flakes in it. So I'll have to rinse my hair twice and then conditioner after I'm done with the video. But this was so much fun. I hope that I can see you guys in the next video. Before you go, make sure to check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much.